Hi, this is Annalise Grimmer, and I'm here to show you how to use Quizizz. It's very simple and easy to sign up for. I used my email and created a teacher account, but you can also sign in with Google. Once signed in, you can search for any topics or quizzes you want to look at or study. I'm going to search for addition, and you can filter by grades, so I'm going to click elementary and math. This brings you to the top searches, and you can also filter between quizzes and lessons specifically. On the right of the screen, you can see it gives you a preview of whichever one you are hovering over, so you don't have to click on it. On the left side, there's a menu bar. If you click on classes, you can see all the classes you have and create a class if you want to keep all of your classes separate if you have multiple. If you click on reports, you can see your students' plays on quizzes or lessons you have made. You can see mine where I have practiced using the quiz I made from my phone a few times. You can see which quiz was taken with the quiz name, total participants, accuracy, class, and the code. When you click on my library, it takes you to all the quizzes and lessons you have created. You can see here's the one I created on addition. It's a 21 question quiz designed for K through first graders. You can create a time limit for each question, which will vary based on difficulty. You can see this one is 2 minutes. You can also assign a point value for each question based on difficulty. As you can see, this one's 7, this one is 4. For mine, I have 3 different types of questions, just the basic multiple choice question, and then I have ones that include a picture right here, and there's also ones where they have to write the answer. This program is used in teaching quite often. I never thought it would be used for younger grades, but Quizizz made me see that it can be and it should. For example, in the quiz that I created, students have to write the answer, and this just helps them practice writing their handwriting and writing their numbers out. So if the answer is 10, they have to write 10, and then they can submit their answer. So not only are they practicing math, but they're practicing handwriting skills and testing their ability to remember what certain numbers look like. I really like this program, and I think it offers a lot more than programs similar to it like Kahoot and Quizlet. There are many different features to keep the students engaged and can be used in all different age groups. I definitely would use this program in my future career of teaching. The only drawback is that some features on it are blocked unless you pay for the subscription, but I would consider buying the subscription for future use. And here are my credits.